Welcome to our Orderry review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. Orderry is an all-in-one SaaS solution designed for repair shops. Work order processing, CRM, inventory management, barcode labeling, finance, reporting and analytics, and more. Orderry provides the following features: work order status, order scheduler, inventory management, print document templates, payments. Orderry offers 3 pricing plans: Hobby, $19 per month; Startup, $29 per month; Business, $39 per month. Annual subscription is available for every plan. Orderry is a software for service businesses. Orderry stores customer data, tracks orders and schedules work orders. It also has CRM features that help manage your customer relationships. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe and like the video.